Hey, how's it going? It's Jonathan Glazer here, and this video we're going to go over 3 steps that you can use to make money with YouTube videos, which will help increase traffic, attract buyers to your videos, which will increase your leads and sales. So I'm assuming that you already are familiar with marketing on YouTube, making videos, creating videos, and all that, and you're looking for efficient ways to increase your rankings. So this is going to help. If you are new to YouTube, then I recommend you click the link below, pick up my free guide, and go through that, and then use it with this video, which is going to help you tremendously to increase your traffic flow. So that being said, let's get on with it. The first step is very, very important. You're going to need to find the problem. So whatever niche you're in, you need to find a common problem that people are having, and then you need to go and find the solution. So you can find the solution on the CPA network, ClickBank, affiliate networks is Warrior Plus, JVZoo. So whatever it is, you want to be able to first um, identify the problem, talk about the problem, and then offer the solution. And that's what your video is going to be based around. And that's where the keywords and everything is going to be based all around that. So first you have to find that. So how do we find that? We go to one of my favorite sites called Quora. You may be familiar with it. It's very similar to Yahoo Answers, where it pretty much is where it's like a forum. So you can also go to forums as well. People will state the problems there, and you just find a common problem people are asking about. So once you go, if you haven't already, you're gonna sign up, create an account, sign up, and then you'll go and just kind of go through and click the topics that you're interested in. As you can see here, so whatever the topic of your niche is, that's what you're going to be interested in. So let's say we'll go to website traffic, because that's a big issue for most people. So lots of people want to get traffic to their websites. So that could be a topic that we can find an offer for. So what you'll do is, JVZoo has lots of offers like that. You'll just go to JVZoo, find an offer that fits that, and you will talk about the problem with traffic and all that. Again, that'll all be explained in my guide. This is just mainly focusing on how to find keywords and then optimize your videos for the search engines, YouTube search engines, to rank them better. So we're going to just say that we are just going to focus on traffic for websites. That's what people want. And you can come here and do all sorts of research, CPA marketing, all that. But that's just how I do it. So what we'll do next is find efficient keywords. Find keywords that people are using in this niche. So one of my favorite places is called Keyword Finder, and I'll leave the information in the description below. So you'll come here and you'll say traffic or website traffic, and you're going to find the top 3 in that category. So now we have some options to work around. We can go SEO, we can go buy traffic, we can go web traffic, but this is actual real life stats, what people are searching for. So website traffic is a little bit difficult to rank. Web traffic is lower searching, but not as much competition. And then buy website traffic. So this one's way lower, so we could probably go for that. So what we'll do is we'll focus on buying website traffic. Now if you want, you can focus on free traffic. So say free and see how well that is. So that's pretty good too. It's a little less increased website traffic, but we do have some more options. Buy website traffic. Let's see if we got any more down here. There you go, free traffic. That's actually pretty good. So we can focus on building a site around free traffic. So what we'll do is let's see here. Find here's my keyword, and what we'll do is we'll go free. We'll just write down the top one, so we'll free traffic, website traffic, buy website. Let's see. Well, we're going to actually focus on free traffic, so we'll just focus on free traffic. So increase website traffic, website traffic, and I think we're good. So yeah, we'll just do it that way. So now we have 3 we can work with. Now we're going to build a title around that. So we will say increase leads, or we'll go free traffic training. There we go, just like that. And that's what everybody wants. They want more leads, they want more sales to their business. And then we'll just enter that one more in the title. So there's our title. And we can add more keywords there. So what we'll do is we'll go over to YouTube. And we'll type in that title. So we'll go free traffic, and we'll tighten up our title, and then we'll optimize the video, and then it's ready to upload. So that's it. That's pretty much how you do the keyword, and that's how you build your videos around the keyword. So now you have some more options to go with here. And you can also use a website called a extension called vidIQ, and it's going to give you a little bit more keywords there. So now you have these keywords here: free website traffic, free traffic methods, how to get traffic, and you're going to add that to your list. And again, all that's going to be in the guide below, so snag that guide. So now how to get traffic, free traffic methods, and then free website traffic. Okay, so now you have a pretty efficient list of keywords. You're just going to separate them now by a comma, and we're going to go and optimize our website using, our video file using this. So again, you have, if you want to learn how to create the videos, it's in the guide. So, and that'll show you how to create the videos. Even if you don't want to be in front of the video, there's methods in there to do that, to outsource. So, but once you've done all that, this will be a very crucial step that many people look over, and I have never done a video on this before. So what we're going to do is we're going to pretend that this is the video you made. So you're going to come to your video file, you're going to right click, come to properties, and then you'll head over to details, and you're simply going to click the title, whatever the title is, you're going to put that there. Then you're going to put the subtitle, or you can just put the main keyword that you want to rank for there. And you'll do ratings. You'll click on the 5-star ratings, and then you'll upload your keywords that we just researched. we'll do those there. Those will go there as well as there. And once you're done with that, you will click apply and wait till it loads, and then click OK. Now there's one more step that many people do not know about, and that is the thumbnail. And that will also be covered in the guide. So once you have the thumbnail done, you're going to do the same exact thing to your thumbnails. So we'll just pretend right here this is the thumbnail we created. So you'll go to the file and you'll see that it has the same setup. So you're going to do that exact thing for the thumbnails. And then once you're done with all that, you're simply just going to go to upload a video, and you're going to upload the video, and you'll do the description just as it is explained in the guide below. So that's it. And then of course you're going to once the video is uploaded, you'll add your thumbnail as well. That's assuming that you have your video all set up, or your channel all set up for that. So once again, it'll all be explained in the free guide that I put together for you. Go ahead and click the link and grab that. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I'll have some more videos for YouTube and others very, very soon. Take care. Have an awesome day.